What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay. So a lot of people have their iPhone XS Max, well, I shouldn't say a lot of people. There are a few people reporting. I do know of Live Breathe Tech. Shout out to Live Breathe Tech. He's having some Wi-Fi issues now. This could boil down to a lot of things. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you to do is to reset your network settings. So you want to go in here to settings and reset the network settings. So you got to go to general. Now this is if you're having some Wi-Fi issues. You want to hit reset network settings. Do that, you know what I'm saying, if you're having some issues, and then try your Wi-Fi test again. For me, as you can see, I'm not having any Wi-Fi issues, man. I'm getting almost a gig down. I have 1 gigabit internet, so my internet is, as you get, it is. You know what I'm saying? And I have it in this big bulky case. And you know, it's just what it is. I have it on a metal stand. I try holding it. I'm just getting the same speeds regardless. So I know it's gonna be different for everybody. This can depend on a lot of things, folks. So you know, it's not really something that, you know, like a lot of people are gonna experience. But if you are experiencing, this video is for you. Go ahead and go into your settings, reset your network settings, and try it again. Now, if for some reason that just doesn't work, then you want to reset the entire phone. And here's what I would tell you to do. They tell you to do a backup, but I would say reset your phone and then do a fresh install. Like it could take some time, you know what I'm saying? But test it out first. Like erase your phone, because you can keep erasing your phone all you want. It's not going to hurt anything. So erase your phone if the network reset doesn't work. Reboot it. Erase your phone. And then just do it as a new iPhone and see if, and then just download the speed test app and see if you're getting those good speeds. You know what I'm saying? And see if that's the thing. You know, also, I don't know if people are having network issues or whatever, but you know, let me get out of here and I'm gonna show you my T-Mobile speeds. You know what I'm saying? They're obviously fine. I use mine on T-Mobile, but you can, when you live in unlock, you can switch to anything you want. So let's change this to an actual T-Mobile server. And let's see what my speeds are. Just for my regular network, just for general purposes. You know, that's a horrible ping right there, but you know, still, as you can see, even with that 67 ping, I'm still getting 45, 50, going on up to 60 possibly. This is about what I get in my house, between 60 and 80. So yeah, even though I had a bad ping, still good. I got 62. So you know, the network speeds and everything are gonna depend on your location, but as far as the Wi-Fi speeds go, you know, reset your network settings, and you'll be able to see whether or not that's going to help or not. So I definitely recommend you do that. So to all those people that are having network issues over Wi-Fi, I normally don't stay on Wi-Fi too much in the house, but I would tell you, if you are having some Wi-Fi issues, I just wanted to show you that, hey, I got it in a big bulky case. I got it sitting on a metal stand. Everything, I'm holding it, you know, all kind of things that could possibly interfere with a good signal, you know, radio activity. So hey, there it is, man. I'm still getting really good speeds. Now I do have 1 gigabit internet, so whatever your internet speeds are, you know, that's what you're going to be getting. So real quick video, man. It's your man Jay. Hope this helped you, you know what I'm saying, with your Wi-Fi issues that you possibly could be having on your phone. And just wanted to tackle that one real quick. So remember, go into settings, general, and then go down to reset, and then select reset network settings. That's basically going to erase all the Wi-Fi settings and all the Bluetooth. That's pretty much what it's going to do. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.